Okay, you've got your finger in so many different advanced technologies. SpaceX, Tesla, now you've got Solar City.
In a surprising turn of events, the Israel-Hamas conflict is now overshadowed by major technological news as Israel and its allies reveal their new advanced fighter jets with amazing capabilities and advanced features. Elon Musk's SpaceX makes headlines for something entirely different, launching a UFO and challenging the U.S. government. This new UFO has sparked global curiosity, raising questions about its technology and its potential impact on the conflict. What makes this UFO so unique? How would its presence affect the Israel-Hamas conflict? Join us as we unveil the capabilities of Elon Musk's UFO fighter jet that defies physics. Under Elon Musk, SpaceX has made great strides in space technology with 3 key rockets. The Falcon 1, SpaceX's first rocket, was a breakthrough as it became the first privately funded liquid-fueled rocket to reach orbit. Although it was retired in 2009 after 5 launches, its success set the groundwork for SpaceX's future. The Falcon 9, a medium-lift rocket, has become essential for space missions, capable of carrying up to 22,800 kilograms into orbit. First launched in 2010, it has been updated over time, with the Falcon 9 Block 5 introduced in 2018. A major innovation of the Falcon 9 is its reusable first stage, which can land, be recovered, and flown again. SpaceX also introduced the Falcon Heavy, a powerful rocket that can carry up to 63,800 kilograms into low Earth orbit or 26,700 kilograms into a higher orbit. Its first mission in 2018 famously sent Elon Musk's Tesla Roadster into space, showing off the rocket's impressive capabilities. Looking ahead, SpaceX is developing Starship, a fully reusable rocket system. It includes a super heavy first stage and the Starship second stage and is designed to be more advanced than current rockets, aiming for missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. SpaceX also makes various rocket engines, such as the Merlin, Kestrel, and Raptor. The Raptor engine, which uses liquid oxygen and methane, is especially important for powering the Starship system. Additionally, SpaceX's Dragon spacecraft, which transports cargo and astronauts to the International Space Station, has advanced with the new Dragon 2 model. This updated spacecraft completed its first crewed flight in 2020, helping keep people aboard the ISS. Aside from the Falcon, Elon Musk has also developed something magnificent in the midst of chaos. His bold approach has led to the creation of a real UFO, the X-1, closely monitored by the U.S. government. This remarkable craft, developed through years of effort and teamwork at SpaceX, reaches a hypersonic speed of 4,600 miles per hour and boasts impressive fuel efficiency. Musk's move into advanced aerospace technology raises interesting questions about how innovation intersects with global politics and conflicts. The X-1's uniqueness extends to its groundbreaking camouflage technology, rendering it practically invisible as it glides through the sky, disguising itself as a cloud. The Pentagon's bewilderment, initially mistaking it for a UFO and subsequently launching fighter jets in pursuit, adds a layer of suspense to this cosmic saga. Elon Musk's penchant for secrecy in the development of the X-1 triggered confusion in the Hamas camp, leaving the militants at odds with the visionary entrepreneur. What makes the X-1 so remarkable is that it is the only aircraft equipped with a compact space shuttle engine, previously only seen on the Hawk hypersonic missile developed by SpaceX. This missile can reach an astounding speed of over 4,600 miles per hour, bypassing all modern missile defense systems. Now, this engine powers a new X-1, which also boasts a design improvement that reduces fuel consumption by 30%. The spacecraft has reduced fuel use by 30%, surpassing traditional military technology. It also uses microwave technology, similar to something from a sci-fi movie, which can melt enemy aircraft or disrupt their electronics. This could change the way modern warfare is conducted. There's another fascinating application for this system. When the radiation is toned down and aimed at a person, 83% of the energy is absorbed by the top layer of skin, creating a sensation like being dipped in molten metal. This unbearable feeling would make anyone want to flee the area instantly, abandoning their tank or equipment, which could then be easily captured. This would be a game-changing asset for the U.S. military. But as it stands, the Pentagon and Elon Musk are at odds over the technology. The tension between them only adds more intrigue to the situation. While Musk sees it as a potential strategic weapon, the military establishment remains cautious. sparking a nuanced debate on the role of such advanced technology in modern conflict. Despite the tension between the military and Musk, the X-1 keeps blowing minds with its stealth technology that avoids radar detection. It can reach an incredible altitude of 105,000 feet, even higher than the famous State Route 71 Blackbird. This mix of speed, invisibility, and high altitude could transform space travel and change how air defense systems operate. However, like every other aircraft ever created, the X-1 isn't invulnerable. To challenge this high-flying craft, supersonic missiles are needed. Hey, the F-35 Lightning II and F-22 Raptor come into play with their advanced technology. Despite their strength, the F-35 and F-22 struggle to keep up as the X-1 zooms at 4,600 miles per hour, while the F-35 only reaches 1,200 miles per hour. While an F-35 is still en route, the X-1 would already have reached its target, destroyed it, and returned to base without needing to refuel. The developer revealed their intention to build a fighter for the 21st century that could take on all the advanced threats. The F-35 and F-22 do have powerful weapons, AIM-10 hypersonic missiles that travel at Mach 4, reaching up to 3,100 miles per hour. However, these missiles can only maintain their speed for about half an hour, which makes the battle an intense and high-stakes challenge. The X-1, on the other hand, is different in terms of its armaments. It'll destroy targets with a very unusual weapon, a microwave system. This installation emits electromagnetic vibrations in the millimeter wave range. These waves, directed at an object, affect it like a laser but in a much wider range. Microwave radiation at full power can literally melt an enemy aircraft, but most often, this system is used to turn off all electronics, turning a fighter jet into a pile of flying scrap metal. The mission of the aircraft was to be half of what the Air Force called a high-low mix. One of the X-1's features that makes it stand out is its ability to reach astonishing heights using an engine typically found in space launches. The X-1 can soar up to 105,000 feet. It also has one of the strongest microwave systems, which can interfere with equipment and people. The jet also has advanced camouflage that makes it almost invisible to radar and the naked eye, blending into the sky like a cloud. The tale of technological excellence also needs to recognize the crucial role of skilled pilots. Fighter jets aren't just machines. They are flown by experts who can outthink any SpaceX operator flying the X-1. The combination of advanced technology and human skill makes the aerial competition more complex and exciting. The situation changes when considering altitude. The X-1 stands out with its ability to reach astonishing heights using an engine typically found in space launches. The X-1 can soar up to 105,000 feet, easily reaching extremely high altitudes, while the F-22 Raptor, though very agile, only reaches 72,000 feet, making it less competitive at higher levels. Adding the X-1's microwave weapon raises the stakes even further, although the F-22's impressive maneuvers might help it evade danger when things get intense. Previously, the only United States aircraft capable of reaching such altitudes was a State Route 71 Blackbird, which lacked attack capabilities. To avoid being caught, it relied on flying very high and fast. Its radar-evading tricks and dark color made it hard to track. Even when targeted by missiles, it could often outrun or dodge them. At that same height, the X-1 is untouchable by air defense systems, giving it an edge over the Blackbird. The only way to take it down would be with a fighter jet that can get close enough to launch a supersonic missile. The U.S. has such aircraft, namely the F-35 Lightning II and F-22 Raptor, both of which are formidable opponents. Besides exploring space, SpaceX has launched projects like Starlink, a satellite network aimed at providing affordable internet worldwide. By December 2022, Starlink had over 1 million subscribers, though some astronomers have raised concerns about light pollution. Elon Musk's efforts also include humanitarian work. In 2018, SpaceX created a mini-submarine to help rescue children trapped in a flooded cave in Thailand. During the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, the company supported public health by collaborating on antibody testing to fight the virus, showing its commitment to societal well-being beyond space exploration. When the Israel-Hamas conflict began in October 2023, responses varied. At least 44 countries labeled Hamas a terrorist organization, while some Middle Eastern nations called for de-escalation, pointing to Israel's long-term occupation of Palestinian territories. The conflict also led to clashes between Israeli forces and militants in Lebanon, including Hezbollah. The U.S. military has showcased its impressive technology, with Lockheed Martin leading the way in aerospace innovation. The F-35 Lightning II and the stealthy F-117 Nighthawk, developed by Lockheed Martin, are well known in aviation history. The State Route 71 Blackbird, famous with incredible speed of 2,000 miles per hour, pushed the boundaries of aerodynamics and proved that advanced aerospace technology could overcome even extreme conditions like temperatures of 750 degrees Fahrenheit during flight. Now, the focus shifts to the State Route 72, designed to break speed records and master aerodynamics. Its propulsion system is a blend of conventional turbojet and advanced ramjet technology, optimizing performance throughout the flight. The SR-72's design is a careful balance of form and function, with engineers paying close attention to both its appearance and its capabilities. The aircraft engine transforms fuel into powerful thrust, making the State Route 72 truly exceptional. Its staggering Mach 10 capability is not just a numerical statistic. It's a monumental leap forward, a technological milestone propelling humanity into a future once relegated to the realm of science fiction. In a world previously confined by geographical constraints, the Dark Star represents a monumental leap in aviation technology, pushing the boundaries of what was once impossible. Beyond its awe-inspiring speed, the SR-72's unparalleled maneuverability sets it apart, not as a luxury but as a fundamental attribute crucial for survival. The cockpit becomes an extension of the pilot's mind, a conduit for rapid decisions communicated to the aircraft's responsive design. Here, science converges with art, and skilled pilots become conductors of an agility symphony, defying odds and pushing the limits. Enter the LAWS system, Laser Airborne Weapons System, integrated into the Dark Star, a major leap in modern warfare doctrine due to light-based weaponry. Speed and precision render traditional defense mechanisms obsolete. The system generates a high-energy laser beam directed onto targets with extreme precision, neutralizing threats with unprecedented efficiency. With its unmatched speed, lethal laser capabilities, and superior maneuverability, the Dark Star is an airborne assassin, gliding gracefully over enemy bases, eliminating crucial targets with pinpoint accuracy. However, the lingering question persists: is there room for any advancement in technology? Absolutely. This advancement has come in the form of the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program, initiated by the United States Air Force in 2014. Representing a stealthy addition to the U.S. military arsenal, this program, with an estimated investment of $16 billion, endeavors to usher in the era of sixth-generation fighters. The NGAD fighter's extraordinary speed, reaching an impressive 1,800 miles per hour, ensures rapid response times and allows for swift ingress and egress from hostile airspace, establishing it as a formidable force in aerial combat. With a remarkable flight ceiling of 15 miles, this fighter operates at altitude that few adversaries can effectively engage, providing a strategic advantage in the skies. Stealth technology is a hallmark of the NGAD fighter, as its advanced coating renders it virtually invisible to radar detection, presenting a substantial challenge for enemy forces to track and target. This quality bestows a significant edge in combat scenarios, allowing the fighter to operate covertly and strike with precision. What truly sets the NGAD fighter apart is its integration of cutting-edge artificial intelligence. This AI system endows the fighter with unparalleled autonomy and decision-making capabilities, allowing it to control a swarm of drones, enhancing its versatility and combat effectiveness. This AI-driven feature enables coordinated and precise drone operations, empowering the fighter with adaptability and rapid response in dynamic combat situations. This next-generation fighter demonstrates a comprehensive approach to aerial dominance by deploying two types of drones. Reconnaissance drones, equipped with highly precise radars, create an extensive surveillance net, detecting threats within a significant distance. Once identified, the fighter deploys a second type of drone, armed with advanced weaponry and exceptional accuracy, swiftly eliminating targets within seconds. The integration of AI would also help enhance situational awareness and extend reach and lethality. This combination of speed, stealth, and autonomous drone control positions the fighter as a formidable force on the modern battlefield. These advanced aircraft, the State Route 72 and NGAD, have the potential to redefine the future of aviation, revolutionizing reconnaissance, strike missions, and air warfare. The success of these projects could solidify the United States' air dominance, setting new standards for global aviation and marking a pivotal moment in the evolution of aerial combat and intelligence gathering. As the Dark Star and NGAD hold the spotlight, a European marvel named the Tempest gracefully emerges with mind-blowing advancements in technology and the capabilities to dominate the skies. The Tempest is a formidable fighter, boasting amazing speeds of up to 1,000 miles per hour. While it mirrors a more traditional approach, drawing inspiration from aircraft like the F-35 and F-22, the Tempest distinguishes itself with sheer power, maximum maneuverability, and a stealth game that takes the art to the next level. European engineers designed a hull that not only blocks radar frequencies but practically renders the aircraft invisible to detection, thanks to an absorbent coating in a shape that deftly manipulates radar waves. The Tempest is designed to be modular, easily adaptable to different roles for specific missions, and featuring components that can be upgraded throughout its lifetime. With delta wings and outward-pointing vertical stabilizers, it incorporates cutting-edge technology, from stealth features and the ability to fly unmanned to swarming technology for drone control. Artificial intelligence, deep learning, and directed energy weapons further solidify its status as a fighter of the future. Equipped with a cooperative engagement capability, the Tempest can seamlessly share data and messages with other aircraft, facilitating coordinated actions. Its virtual cockpit, displayed on a pilot's helmet-mounted Striker 2 unit, coupled with an adaptive cycle engine using lightweight composite materials, showcases a commitment to advanced technology without compromising cost-effectiveness. Leonardo, a key player in this collaboration, proposes a radar warning receiver that's 4 times as accurate in just 1/10 the size of current units. The aircraft's raised rear fuselage section, S-shaped ducting behind its twin engine inlets, and the deep placement of its engines inside the fuselage all contribute to minimizing radar and infrared signatures. Beyond its technical specifications, the Tempest introduces innovative features like a pilot's helmet that monitors brain signals and other medical data, creating a unique biometric and psychometric information database for each pilot. The aircraft's AI collaborates with this database, assisting the pilot in various scenarios, such as taking over flight controls during a blackout due to G-forces or increasing workload under high-stress situations. Yet, the Tempest capabilities don't stop there. It is also equipped with hypersonic missiles with 4 engines, bestowing upon them the agility to maneuver and dodge anti-aircraft defenses at speeds of 2 miles per minute. These missiles elegantly dance around interception attempts, even defying the threat of laser weapons. Before the escalation of the Israel-Hamas conflict, Iran had unveiled its hypersonic missile named the Fatah. Developed by the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, the Fatah symbolizes Iran's persistent pursuit of military advancements. This unveiling marks a significant achievement in Iran's defense capabilities, drawing international attention for its claimed high maneuverability, exceptional speed, and purported ability to counter known missile defense systems. The name Fatah, meaning conqueror or bringer of victory, was personally chosen by Iran's Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, adding symbolic weight to this technological achievement. The Fatah missile is a 2-stage, solid-fueled weapon with an impressive range of 1,500 kilometers and a terminal velocity ranging from Mach 13 to Mach 15. Its distinctive spherical engine warhead, powered by solid fuel and equipped with a movable nozzle, enhances speed and enables precise maneuverability in multiple directions. The use of solid fuel for propulsion ensures its effectiveness in various environmental conditions. On November 19th, Iran showcased its Fatah 2 hypersonic missile during a visit by Supreme Leader Ayatollah Khamenei to the IRGC Aerospace Force Museum in Tehran. Media reports reveal that the Fatah 2 includes a ballistic missile engine similar to the one used in the earlier Fatah missile revealed in June. Its re-entry vehicle design resembled Boeing's X-51 Wave Rider experimental hypersonic missile, but lacks an air intake for a scramjet engine. This advanced hypersonic ballistic missile showcased by Iran stands out for its exceptional velocity, surpassing the capabilities of conventional ballistic missiles. Its high speed not only extends its range, but also significantly reduces the reaction time for potential targets and adversaries, establishing it as a formidable weapon in Iran's arsenal. To restore geopolitical and global peace, the joint efforts of the U.S., Dark Star, NGAD, Europe's Tempest, and the X-1 teams are highly significant. This collaboration aims to develop effective defenses against potential threats, but also raises concerns for groups like Hamas and Iran. The introduction of such advanced technologies adds a new layer to global conflicts, potentially leading to either reduced tensions or increased concerns, depending on how these powerful weapons are used. Thanks for watching.